Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 34 from D exercises in James Stewart calculus. So given this information, cosec of theta equals -4/3, and your theta is between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. So our angle now lies between this point and that point here. And in that section, your x is positive and your y is negative. So from this, we can deduce what our values are, and those values are y and r. So remember that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. And now, if it is the reciprocal of sine and sine is y over r, then this is r over y. And you can directly extract that r is 4 because it can't be negative, and y is -3. And that checks out because our y is expected to be negative. Alright, so we now have this information and we can use it to find x via the Pythagoras theorem. Alright, and our x will be r squared minus y squared, which is 4 squared minus this. This is 16 minus 9, and that should give you 7. So x is plus or minus the square root of 7. And we know that x has to be positive, so we're going to take the positive one. Alright, then with x, y, and r, we're all set to find the ratios. And we can start with any of them. Let's just start with sine. So sine of theta is y over r, and our y is -3, our r is 4. And cosine of theta is x over r. X is this, r is that. It's 4. And tan of theta is y over x. So y is -3 and x is square root of 7. Then we have sec of theta, which is the reciprocal of cosine, and that should be the reciprocal of this. That is 4 over square root of 7. Finally, cotangent is the reciprocal of tan, and it should be as follows. So negative square root of 7 over 3.